welcome back to the channel. Well, we've just started my 5-day trip to Munall camping ground, and one of the first places I've been to or going past is Somerset Dam. So you can see behind me, up on the lookout here, it is a magnificent view right at the top. So just about to go down here and take some more footage down there. But it's an absolutely beautiful day for a ride today. A little bit windy back that way, but the rest of blue skies. Wind's died down right now, so we'll keep cracking on. All right, time for a break. So what better place to have a break at the Jimna base camp. So come in, grab a coffee, have a bit of a rest, bit of a sit down. Up the back they got camping up the back, and you can get your caffeine fix here. So just called in Jimna and gonna keep heading north. So just about to hit a little bit of dirt in a little while. All right, time for a break. I had to take a little bit of a detour to get here. It was only 5-10 minutes, so thought I'd have a bit of a break here at Bjork-Petersen Dam. So you can see behind me, I'll switch around. One of the old Bjork-Petersen, one of the old premiers of Queensland. I thought I'd break up the ride and just have a look around here. A nice little area right to the end. Got some picnic areas around here, so not a bad little place to stop for a break. Oh well, not far now. It's only about 120 k's to Gayndah. Been a nice cruisy ride. That's what I want. I'm not in a hurry. No need to be in a hurry today. So it's about 2 o'clock, and yeah, only about 120 k's to go. So that's good. Get there, set up camp, have a break. Cheers. Okay, just about to leave the caravan park, all packed up. So day 2, I thought I'll go to one of the local tourist attractions around here. It's an old railway bridge, so rather than just get on a bike ride, I thought, got to do something, so I will go and have a look at the old railway bridge. Apparently there's 2 of them around the area. Got 474 k's today to the Munall camping area, a full tank of petrol, 574 k's to empty. The big old girl takes around about 600 litres of fuel, so we'll see how we go. I got my mate watching me just here, so hopefully I won't fall off and embarrass myself. Straighten up the other camera, there we go. Alright, oh, I nearly stalled it, that'd be good. That'd be a shit house moment. Looks like it was a little bit muddy at some point lately. We had a bit of rain up this way, so I was supposed to come this way last week. Glad I didn't. There we go, 100 metres. Bit of a lake down there or something. Yeah. Okay. Don't know exactly what's historic about it, but we'll go and have a look. Some photos. Made my way down. Just see some rapids down there. I thought I'd just stop just there because it's getting a bit muddy down here. Obviously the water's come up. I don't want to take Barry down here. A bit slippery. Barry weighs about 976 kilos. So you can see the water has sort of come up. So I'm going to make my way out here. I'll see you when I get out there. So on the way up to the lookout, I think it's up that way, one up there, Mount McConnell lookout. It's about 7.5 k's from the highway, so worth a look just to see what's up there, just to break up the boredom of the ride today. I'll see you up the top. Alright, head down to the lookout. Not a bad view from up here actually. I didn't know what it'd be like. But yeah, definitely worth the extra 15-20 minutes to come and have a look at the river. Just there. Need to get rid of that tree. Can't see properly. That's good. A little bit of smoke haze. There's a few fires around yesterday. So yeah, all right. Okay, out in the middle of nowhere, got a warning on the dash for a low tyre pressure on the rear, and there we go, one flat tyre. So I suppose I'm going to have to fix that now. That's shit house. Alright, so in the hole, plugged it, got my pump, hooked it up to the battery. So I will hook it up to the little mini presser, moto presser, and pump it up. Okay, got about 15 k's and it didn't like that first plug, so I had to put in a second plug, and I'll give it a bit of time for the glue to dry, but at least I'm in a better place now, off the road a bit more, so hopefully after this one we'll be right.